Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your smartphone, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option recovery mode. When you see this Android robot laying down and no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here in the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.